Welcome to the High-Tech Robotic Systems. We are happy to have you join us for our product launch, NovaStacker, India's first autonomous pallet truck. In this session, we will walk you through the performance capabilities, features, and live experience of the product. Post that, we will open a session for your queries. I am Primi Sharma, leading brand and communications at the High-Tech. I am accompanied by Mr. Anuj Kapuria, the CEO of High-Tech Robotics. I would request Anuj to introduce High-Tech Robotics.
Thank you. Thank you, Primi. Hi, everyone. I would like to thank you for joining us today, and I would like to welcome you to the launch of the NovaStacker, the latest addition in our portfolio of offering towards providing this end-to-end material handling solutions for all our customers. So while we have already launched and deployed multiple standard autonomous stackers based on standard vehicles like pallet trucks as well as forklifts, this here is a fully ground-up built stacker which we've designed to be autonomous. With the ever-changing customer demand for mass personalization and our ever-shortening delivery time wishes, there is an increasing need for flexibility and adaptability in the operations of all our customers. So while, as you know, the past decade has been largely about rigid automation, where industrial robotic arms and conveyor-based systems have been largely used, this new decade is going to be about collaborative robots, which are going to be used to augment and aid human capability, performance, and productivity. This new generation of collaborative, connected, autonomous, and intelligent robot is a step towards this transformation. We at High-Tech Robotics are not just part of this transformation, but we're actually leading it from the front, with the largest domestic install base of over 500 mobile robots deployed across various industries.
Thank you for introducing the High-Tech Robotic Systems. Request you to give us an overview about NovaStacker.
So Primi, as you know, about 80 to 90% of the material transport across various industries in manufacturing plants as well as warehouses happens on pallets. Out of that, 50% is ground-to-ground pallet movement, and the remaining about 30% is either from conveyor or a rack or a platform. And these are the applications that we are targeting with this ground-up built robot, which is, mind you, fully designed and made in India. We've already filed multiple patents for this product and its functionality across the globe. We have designed this autonomous pallet truck, autonomous NovaStacker, keeping in mind the space restrictions that happen in typical factories and warehouses. Space is always at a premium, where we only use 60% of the space required by a regular stacker is what this stacker would be able to use. The robot can even accommodate human error. So if a pallet is, let's say, not positioned perfectly in its place, the robot uses advanced computer vision techniques to identify the pallet, its location and its position, and our advanced control algorithms ensure perfect pallet pick. Since the robot is meant to be part of a larger solution, it comes with a barcode scanner that can automatically scan the material into inventory. Our robot seamlessly communicates with our robotic fleet orchestration software system called the Novus Fleet Manager. Hence, it can be plugged in with other automation accessories such as conveyors, other line-side equipment, as well as ERP systems and WMS systems of our customers.
Sure. Like you said, this is applicable for pallet movement across multiple industries. And which industries you feel are the most apt for the robot?
So while the robot is applicable to wherever there is pallet load, right? Wherever pallets are moving, that's where this robot is applicable. But specifically, FMCG, CPG, pharma, electronics, white goods, e-commerce and 3PL, those are our target industries for this product.
Sure. Do you feel such an advanced robot will be cost effective in emerging markets like Southeast Asia and India?
So very good question, Primi. Firstly, I think we should not look at this product just as a point-to-point material movement equipment. Rather, it should be seen in the context of a larger solution, which helps optimize the material flow, inventory, as well as synchronizes in real time the entire operations of a plant or a warehouse. But just to answer your question more specifically, we have designed this product keeping in mind the prevailing costs in emerging markets, specifically India, where we are able to still provide a payback within 3 years.
Sure. As you spoke about optimizing material flow, can you tell us how do you achieve optimization?
So this is a very, very deep question, of course. We are a deep tech company, as you know, and I can spend lots of time talking about this particular question. Maybe, we'll need another interaction just focusing on this question. But in a nutshell, let me try to answer it concisely. We use advanced AI and analytics techniques to generate business insights for our customers in order to help them improve their overall productivity and efficiency.
And how do you make your robot intelligent?
So the brain of this robot is this proprietary software called Novus Drive, which enables the intelligence and autonomy in the robot. The Novus Drive is a software platform which is based on our proprietary R-Star architecture. It has been honed over multiple years of experiences, use cases that we have done across these years, and the real world deployments that we've learned from, including some of the most mission critical autonomous vehicles that we've deployed in defense applications. We use state of the art 3D SLAM algorithms. We use multi-sensor data fusion, computer vision, deep learning, and other perception techniques, and combine them with proprietary control algorithms to navigate large unstructured dynamic environments to enable not just faster average speed, but also higher safety for our robots.
Thanks for your time, Manoj. I understand with these key differentiators, like you said, working in large, unstructured and dynamic environments safely and lesser space requirement with higher operating speeds, Novus Stacker will surely transform the intralogistic for various industries. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Thank you very much.